Welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to introduce you to another powerful AI tool called DID. DID is a cutting-edge AI-powered tool designed to effortlessly transform static images into dynamic AI videos. In my previous videos, I demonstrated how to convert text into lifelike voices using AI technology. Now in this video, we're taking it a step further as we merge images with AI-generated audio to create captivating AI videos. As you can see, DID offers custom avatars, and you also have the option to create your very own personalized avatar. If you're not sure how to create one, I've got you covered. Just click the I button to check out my video about Leonardo.ai for a step-by-step guide. All it takes is a few simple steps. Click on the Add button, upload the avatar of your choice, then on the top right corner, click the audio button followed by the upload option where you can upload your audio.
That's a perfect question. It's nice to be both, but it's very difficult. But if I had...
When you've got your image and audio ready, simply click the Generate button and wait. Please note that this process may take some time.
A few moments later.
The video is ready. Let's take a look.
That's a perfect question. It's nice to be both, but it's very difficult. But if I had my choice, I would rather be feared. Fear lasts longer than love. Friendships that are bought with money mean nothing. You see how it is around here. I make jokes, everybody laughs. I know that I am funny, but I'm not that funny. It's fear that keeps them loyal to me.
Finally, I would like to mention that DID has free trial only for 15 days with 20 credits. 15 seconds are equal to 1 credit, which means 5 minutes video in total. After that, you should choose a plan or switch on with different account. But don't worry, I've got a trick to share with you on how to get free credits without spending a dime. Just leave a comment down below, and I'll guide you through it. That's all for today. And remember, I have another video coming up, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. See you soon!